What's up, everybody? Your girl is back here live with another video. I'm back and I'm better. Everybody is self-quarantine right now, so right now it's the perfect time to post creative content on YouTube, on your Instagram, post more pictures, you know, just be creative and do what you do best. But for me, I wasn't motivated for a couple weeks, but I got my mojo back, so I'm back in action and I'm in the mood to post YouTube videos and post pictures. So with that being said, a lot of you guys are asking me how I got this cute little fro, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. But to be honest with y'all, this hairstyle literally happened overnight. Last night before I went to bed, I put my hair into this big bun, and then some way, somehow, all of my hair kind of just fell down and created this cute little, you know, afro look. It's really cute. It's a look. I did a fro similar to this a couple years ago, but the whole process, the way I did it was super hard. But this look right here, it takes literally like 2 minutes depending on how long your hair is. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Hopefully it comes out cute like this. We'll see what happens. You can always mess around with it, play with it, and, you know, style it how you want it to look. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all, the main reason why you guys have not been seeing me post anywhere, like on social media in general, is because I got a Nintendo Switch Lite. So this right here, it's super addicting. The game that I got that's addicting is Animal Crossing New Horizon. It's super fun. There's something to do in the game every single day. It's like real life, and it's like a huge distraction. It makes you feel good because the game is so cute. I was also thinking about becoming a gamer, maybe creating a game channel. Recording myself playing Animal Crossing on YouTube is a very popular thing, so I thought, why not give it a shot? Comment below and let me know if you guys want to see me play Animal Crossing, because I can literally play this game for hours. So let me know if you're interested in seeing me playing Animal Crossing. It's something new for me to do instead of just posting hair videos all the time and vlogs. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching and let's get straight into it. The only thing you guys are gonna need for this hairstyle is literally one hair tie. So I'm gonna take it down. I'm warning y'all now, my hair is really messy. Let's hope that I don't look too crazy on camera. Like, my hair is super dry and super messy. That's why, you know, the afro hairstyle comes in handy, because it hides all of your, you know, new growth and all of that. But anyways, put all of your hair to the front and put it in ponytail. Normally my videos are more organized, but the lighting kind of threw me off. But yeah, so just put it into a ponytail. I'm trying to remember what was the next step that I did. Give me a second. Okay, yeah, so all you, like I told you guys, this hairstyle just happened overnight, so I'm just trying to remember how I did it. Bear with me for a second, just bear with me for a minute. So bring your hair all to the front and then separate your locks into two. And then all you have to do is grab the first one, hold the bottom like so, and all you're gonna do is literally put it inside of the clip. Like, just place the ends inside of the clip so that it holds it in. All right, so here we go. So that one's in, and then take the next side of your hair and do the same thing. Okay, so now I look a little crazy. Obviously I'm gonna fix it. So now all you have to do is just, as you can see, the fro is coming along, so you just have to kind of play with it, mess with it a little bit until you get it how you want it. I'm gonna tuck in the locks that are sticking out on the bottom. Just tuck in everything. So I'm looking over here because there's a mirror right here, but yeah. And like for me, when I left it overnight, the cuter it got. It's not coming out how I wanted to, so I just have to keep on playing with it until I get the look that I want to achieve. Like, you can just pull some out and kind of tuck it in and give yourself little bangs like so. Yeah, just mess with it. Like, tuck the sides in It's coming together. I feel like this hairstyle would be so much cuter if my hair was curly, but unfortunately my locks are straight, so I'm definitely gonna try this again with my curly locks. I feel like it will look so much better. Kind of reminds me of a mushroom. This afro looks a little bit different from the first fro that I had when I filmed the video. You can always try to perfect it to the way you want it, but I feel like this is pretty cute how it looks. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment below and, you know, give me ideas. Like I always tell you guys, give me ideas on what videos you guys want to see me film. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.